You want to create original music and sound effects using artificial intelligence. Whether you are a beginner or pro, this AI tool will blow your mind. So come to this website, StableAudio. Here you will have to paste some prompts. Suppose you want pianos music, you want drum music, you want a meditation kind of music. So you will have to give the prompt, few prompts. So let me give the prompt. So I given some prompts. Japanese temple bell, peace of mind, nature's reverse voice, peaceful mind, word chirping. So I given some prompts. Select the second size. You can increase or decrease the size. So I'll keep it 10 seconds. And if I increase it, you can increase from here. So I'll keep it 10 seconds. Click generate. So after few seconds, the music is ready. You can preview it from here. And then download it from here. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.